Hello friends, this is Veera from Time to Chess. Today we are going to analyze the game of the chess legends and also former world champions Mikhail Botvinnik and Josrael Capablanca. This is one of the most famous game in chess history. This game is the symbol of the beginning of professional chess. Actually, Botvinnik's scientific approach influenced many players including world champions Anatoly Karpov and Garry Kasparov. Also, Garry Kasparov studied under Botvinnik for 5 to 6 years. Okay, let's see this game. Botvinnik started with d4 and black played knight f6, c4, e6, knight c3, bishop b4, Nimzo Indian defense, and white played e3, d5, a3, bishop takes c3, pawn takes c3. Actually, in Nimzo Indian defense, black gives his dot square bishop to damage white's pawn structure, and also it will help black to gain lead in development. Here black played c5, c takes d5, e takes d5, bishop d3, and black played castle, and white played knight e2. After knight f3, there is no good job for this knight to do because knight e5 will be stopped easily with knight c6, and also rook e8 is coming. So white played knight e2. Now this knight can jump to g3 and f5. Also knight f4 is possible. So white played knight e2 and black played b6, castle. Here there is no good role for black's light square bishop, so black played bishop a6 to trade his bishop for white's good bishop. White played bishop takes a6, knight takes a6, bishop b2, queen d7, a4, rook f e8, and white played queen d3. I think this move triggered Capablanca to play c4, which is the serious positional mistake. Yeah, he played c4 here, and after queen c2, Capablanca played this c4 with the idea of knight b8, knight c6, knight a5, and knight b3. Interesting plan which gives good play for black on queen side, but Capablanca underestimated white's position. Yeah, he played knight b8. Now you know what black is going to do, so pause the video and try to find the Botvinnik's powerful continuation. Here black's plan costs him 4 moves, so Botvinnik made use of that time to start his powerful attack on kingside. Yes, it's hard to believe because there's no sign for kingside attack in this position. Let me show you the plan of Botvinnik, then you can feel his powerful attack. So here he played rook a e1 with the idea of knight g3, f3, e4, and e5. Then white can play f4, f5, f6, and he's getting strong attack on kingside. So for rook a e1, black played knight c6, knight g3, knight a5. Capablanca is just going with his plan. f3, knight b3, e4, and queen takes a4. Yes, black won a pawn, but white has more than a compensation. e5, and black played knight d7. Here black has a plan to play knight c5, knight d3. Also it's a discover attack to white's queen, so this is the plan. Obviously we can't trade queens in this position because we are in pawn down. So white played queen f2 to avoid the discover attack, and this knight remains bad on b3 now. So for queen f2, black played g6, stopping knight f5, knight d6. And white played f4. Very nice move. And f5. Now only move for white is en passant. Knight takes f6 and f5. Forces black to trade rooks because white getting strong attack. So rook takes e1, rook takes e1 and rook e8. Once again, pause the video and try to find the best move for white. Here actually white played rook e6, creating passed pawn. Rook takes e6, pawn takes e6, discover attack to black's knight. So king g7, queen f4, queen e8. Finally this queen comes to defend. Queen e5, queen e7. Attack and defense both came to the end on king side, but still these two pieces doing nothing. Now question is, whose minor piece is faster to reach king side? Black's knight come to the game with knight a5, knight c6. But what about white's tall pawn on b2? Now pause the video and try to find the winning combination for white. Yes, here white played the brilliant move bishop a3, bishop sacrifice, trying to deflect this queen. So only move, queen takes a3, and once again brilliant move, knight h5 check, g takes h5, queen g5 check, king f8, and queen takes f6, king g8 and e7. Threatening checkmate, or also white going to promote this pawn. So black played queen c1. Now white has to take his king to no check position, then black can't stop e7 pawn. So white played king f2, queen c2 check, king g3, queen d3 check, king h4, queen e4 check, king takes h5, queen e2 check, again king h4, queen e4 check, pawn g4, queen e1 check, and after king h5 there's no other check. So here simply black resigned. Truly it's a masterpiece by Botvinnik. I hope you found something useful from this game. See you in another interesting video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.